Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? It's why I made the website. And you can get cool art there. colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, real quick, I want to talk about this painting. I think this canvas is cursed. I cannot for the life of me paint anything good on it. This is the, I painted, gessoed it again just so that way I could start from a clean slate. But this is the same one that the Hanafuda card was on, which I didn't really care for that one. And then I kind of don't really care for this one. It's fine. It's just fine. It's not good. It's fine. It's of my cat Abby. She's a sweetheart. But after the last one, I was like, hey, you know what? Why not do another one where it's like, it's cute but spooky, I guess. And she's just adorable, so it's not. She's just a cat. I mean, I guess some people are spooked by black cats, which are weird. Anyway, there's this saying. It comes from the Bible, which I think is sort of relevant. And it's, build it and they will come. And I think the original context is it's Noah's Ark, and I think an angel is telling Noah, like, hey, if you build an ark, then all of these animals will be like supernaturally guided here by God to get on the boat so they don't drown. What's important about that part of it is that they're supernaturally being forced or positioned to the boat. And one issue I have with the phrase, build it and they will come, is that context is not there. That people seem to have this belief that as long as you do the thing, then it'll work out. And yeah, doing the thing is better than not. I think that if you're going to have a career, if you're going to be able to do something like art or music or streaming or whatever, yeah, you should do the thing. Like, obviously, doing the thing versus not doing the thing. Like, people are more likely to enjoy your art if you make art. People are more likely to enjoy your streams if you stream a lot. People are more likely to listen to your music if you make music. And people want new stuff all of the time. It's part of just a thing that's going on in our culture right now, where everything has its like 2 seconds of fame. It's not even 5 minutes anymore. It's everything just goes out there and people are about it for a minute and then it's gone. I can easily talk about XYZ game that everyone was freaking out about a few months ago, and now it's not a thing. And that's always true. There's always something that's getting replaced like that. It's the weird commodification of our society. But regardless, that's not what this video is about. This video is about the idea of build it and they will come, and why I think it's bunk. People seem to have, I think it's true to some degree. People seem to have this understanding that as long as they do it once, then it'll just come out of nowhere. This is especially prevalent in streamers and musicians, that they go, okay, I'll get one show, and that show will, like, there'll be a record label guy there, and then there'll be there'll be a guy there that'll make my career, and then it doesn't happen. And they get this feeling like, oh, well, it didn't work out, so I guess that's all I get, No, unfortunately, you just have to keep doing it. It's not a one-off thing like Noah's Ark. It's not a one-off thing where God just comes down and forces all the animals onto your boat. Unfortunately, you're going to have to build a lot of boats. You're going to have to work a lot, and that's the unfortunate thing about this, is you're going to have to put a lot of time and effort that is not part of the story. It's not part of the time spent. It's not the thing that people concentrate on. Unfortunately, a lot of it is just, you got to keep doing it. I believe in build it and they will come insofar as they are more likely to show up if you actually do it. But I really hate the saying in that people believe that they only have to do it a handful of times and it'll work out. And for some people, that's true. It's rare, though. It's the exception, not the rule. So if you're gonna make it, if you're gonna do this streaming thing, if you want to do streaming or YouTube or music or art, you just got to keep with it, because it's not one boat you got to make. You got to make a lot of boats. You're gonna have to, every time you make a painting or you do a show or you do a stream, come back at it and think about it in a very personal way, and it becomes very personal. Like, what did I do wrong? What did I do right? How do I do this better? What can I do to make this better? Because your first attempt at something, your first time you're doing art, the first time you're making a stream, the first time you're doing a gig, it's going to be bad. It's hopefully going to be one of the worst ones you've ever done. Not the best one. And so you need to just keep at it and keep working at it and keep, you know, okay, what can I do better next time? How do I make people happy? You know, how do I, you know, get what I'm trying to get out there in the universe out there? It's a quest to do that rather than just do it and it'll happen. It's just doing it and it'll happen is not how it works at all. Sorry if this is like a bit of a ramble. It's just been something that I've been thinking a lot about recently. I think the thing I hate about this particularly is people believe it and then believe that they have some faults in themselves, that's the reason why it's not working out. And it's like, no, it's because the direction that you're taking this isn't correct. You need to be tweeting about your work. You need to be posting about it on all of the different social medias. You need to be like letting people know that you exist. The they will come thing doesn't exist unless if they know it exists. It won't happen unless if it does exist. It won't happen unless if you put the time and effort into getting it there. I dislike this mindset because it makes it seem like it's easy, and it makes it seem like the reason that you're failing when you are not getting people to show up is because something just core to yourself. And I don't like this mindset for that reason. You should do the work. You should do the tweets. You should, you know, put out content when you can, as often as you can without, you know, hurting yourself in the process, but it's not as easy as this. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. I don't know if it's gonna be. It's just something that's been bothering me lately. But anyway, let me thank the people on Patreon who are helping me make this happen. If you want, you can join them. Link is in the description. Just go to patreon.com/RevScarecrow. I'm gonna go and thank the people who are helping at the $5 tier or more, starting with Wapfu. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Top Houndor. Thank you, That Two Guy. Thank you, Targo. Thank you, Snout Punk. Thank you, Orthogonal Caster. Thank you, Mortis Nautice. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Maliciousness. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, Demetrius Gazgales. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bubba Fair. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Amber. And thank you, Ants! I need to make this video linked off to the burnout video I did, because I feel like it's I think people could very easily misunderstand this as a just like, oh, grind, man. I hate that too. That's a different thing entirely. I'm gonna link off to the burnout video. You should watch that one too directly after this one. It'll maybe make my life make more sense. Anyway, I'll see you guys later.